I'm going to quickly show you how to use EZY Capture to add an AI chat assistant to your website 24/7 that's trained on your data. So this can all be set up with one click just by enabling up here. Now, the cool thing about EZY Capture is it's trained on your website data, on your facts file, which contains empirical facts about your company. It's trained on your LLMs.txt, which again contains all of the facts about your business and your operations, and the EZY Capture is actually trained on your schema as well. So EZY Capture understands all of your products and your services, and this training happens automatically. So you don't need to feed the chatbot anything. That's the first interesting thing about EZY Capture. So let's just go in. You can either have it enabled or disabled, and I'm just going to enable it now. You can see I've been testing it here already today. The settings are all really simple. You can change the color, the sentiment, how it speaks to your customers, the color, as I just said. If it's friendly or professional, you can give it additional knowledge if you feel that way, but pretty much everything with the default settings will work very well. Now, we've found about 22% of people that engage with EZY Capture leave their email address. So let's just have a look and see how it looks on the website. Now, here it is, a small chatbot down in the right-hand side, and you can ask it anything, you can call it anything. So please tell me about your Wi-Fi wireless. I'm just making this up as we go along because obviously it can answer anything about the website, and you'll notice the response is really quick and very friendly, and we'll give all of the links to your website. And this is a great way to answer customers' questions before your potential customers come to a human, i.e. you. Now, all of these conversations will appear in here, and when you get a lead, after 3 or 4 conversations, the leads will be captured here, and then you can liaise directly with your hopefully new customer. Now, if customers or potential customers ask the same question 3 or 4 times, EZY will automatically generate a frequently asked question or a blog in here in your content engine. As you can see, it's actually writing one now, which will cover some of the information. And if I go to FAQs, it's actually generated some of the FAQs already. So I hope you found that really useful. This is a whole loop for you to generate new customers from ChatGPT, Claude, and Perplexity. I hope you found that useful. Thank you very much.